Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you my silver Crest Blender and my perception about it, what I ordered for and what I get. I actually ordered for something different from this blender. So I ordered for the normal the one with code here, multifunctional purpose here, and the curb, not this pattern totally. So when the man bought the blender for me, I was so disappointed. I want to return it, and I was thinking, how could you give me something like this and you display something that is not the same with what you bought for me? But at the end of the day, I love the blender. So smoothly, it blend my smoothie so smoothly. So this is the type of blender I got. This is the carton, that's the back of it. This is 2 cup, and there's the biggest cup. So yesterday I just tried it. Let me just try to make smoothie with it. So I made pineapple smoothie with this blender, and it come out so fluffy and lovely. One thing I realized is that Silver Crest are different brand. Kenwood do their own. Different brands are doing this Silver Crest. Maybe it's because the way market accept it, so people are doing different products every day. My fear about how it's going to work totally disappeared yesterday. First of all, I realized that this point and this, they have to be in close contact. You can see they're not well in close contact here. They're not well. So by pressing it down, it will be in close contact with the base. And secondly, anytime you are putting your anything you want to grind, make sure it's not heavier than the base. It's not heavier than the machine. If you are, maybe let's assume you are doing you are making your smoothie. Make your smoothie so little, and the water, if it is smoothie that fruit that is very dry, you can use your water, and your ice cube must be minimal to 25 according to the manual, and your water must be 3:1:1. So that's how the base, that is your fruit, maybe your fruit is here, your water must be around this place, and your ice cubes must be around this place. So everything must not be more than this place. And if you're grinding your pepper too, make sure the pepper is not too much. Make sure you don't overload the cup, so that it will blend smoothly. And also cut down the tomatoes, cut it in small pieces, cut it to smaller size. So when you want to start using your blender, this continuous stir, you can see it's not when you press it down, it doesn't stay there. That's why it's continuous. So you hold it for like 10 seconds. When you hold it for like 10 seconds, you will drop it. It will crush down your smoothie, your anything you are putting in, cut down to smaller sizes. So you on this one. When you on this one, it starts working as a normal blender. It's now for you to increase it. It depends on how smooth you want your smoothie to be, how fine and smooth you want, your pepper, anything you want to grind, just increase the speed. As you've honed this one, increase the speed. You have it. Make sure you are honing it, and not the maximum you can hone this blender is 3 minutes. That's the maximum you can hone it. 3 minutes, and wait, let it rest before going again. Let it rest before going again. Don't just after oven it for that 3 minutes, just start again. It will damage the blender. It will start smelling, smoking. I'll tell you the fact. Throughout my smoothie processing yesterday, it doesn't smell, it doesn't do anything. I'll be showing you everything about this blender as I use it. So I hope new buyers we adopt this process and use it effectively. And when you are putting after putting everything you want to grind, cover it. When you cover it like this, when you hone it, make sure you press it down so that there is close contact with the bottom. When you hone it, press it down so that you won't have this smelling something and smoky thing, because this nut and this one, they have to be in, if they are not in close contact, it will be at the edge, so it will give you the one smelling odor and some other problems. I hope this is helpful.